everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we will study about the Rolle's theorem. So the statement is, if fx be a function defined in closed interval a comma b, then fx satisfy the following three conditions. If fx is continuous in closed interval a comma b, fx is differentiable in open interval a comma b, and the third one is fa is equal to fb, then there exists at least one point c which belongs to open interval a comma b such that f dash c is equal to 0 and c is not equal to a comma b. So अब हम इसका प्रूफ देखते हैं. Given fx is continuous in closed interval a comma b, therefore fx is bounded and it attains supremum and infimum value. Let supremum and infimum value be capital M and small m respectively. We know capital M is greater than equal to small m. Let C comma D, which belongs to A comma B closed interval, then FC is equal to capital M and FD is equal to small m. अब इसमें दो केस बनते हैं. फर्स्ट केस इज स्मॉल m इज इक्वल टू कैपिटल M एंड केस सेकेंड कैपिटल M इज ग्रेटर देन स्मॉल m. अब हम केस वन देखते हैं. स्मॉल m इज इक्वल टू कैपिटल M, देन fa इज इक्वल टू fb. सो कैपिटल M इज इक्वल टू स्मॉल m फॉर एवरी x बिलोंग्स टू open interval a comma b. Then the function is constant. Therefore, in this condition, f dash x is equal to 0, so f dash c is equal to 0. Now, the case second, capital M is greater than m, which implies is that m is not equal to small m. Given fa is equal to fb and capital M is not equal to small m, in this condition at least one supremum or infimum is different from fa or fb, is that m is not equal to fa or is equal to fb, or small m is not equal to fa is equal to fb. So let capital M is equal to f dash c is not equal to fa is equal to fb. Now c belongs to a comma b open interval and c is not equal to a comma b. So we shall prove that by contradiction method, then f dash c is not equal to 0. हमें प्रूव करना है f dash c is equal to 0. So by contradiction method we will prove that f dash c is not equal to 0. Again, there are two possibilities. First possibility is f dash c is greater than 0 and the second one is f dash c is less than 0. So in first, function is monotonic increasing in right neighborhood of point c. Then there exists delta which is greater than 0 such that delta belongs to c comma c plus tail. If x is greater than c, if fx is greater than fc is equal to capital M, which is contradiction. So f dash c is not greater than 0. So this is equation number A. Now the second case, so function is monotonic decreasing in left neighborhood of point C. Then del is greater than 0 such that in del belongs to c minus del comma c. If x is less than c, so fx is less than fc is equal to m, which is also contradiction. Therefore f dash c is not less than equal to 0, which is equation B. So from equation A and from equation B we can say that f dash c is equal to 0. So here's the proof of Rolle's theorem. Now there is another method to prove Rolle's theorem. We will see that the statement is same, the function is continuous in closed interval and differentiable in open interval, and fa is equal to fb. So c belongs to open interval a comma b and c is not equal to a comma b, such that f dash c is equal to 0. अब इसका प्रूफ हम अलग तरीके से करेंगे. सो लेट एफ एक्स इज कॉन्टिन्यूस इन ए कॉमा बी, देन it is bounded and it attains supremum and infimum value. Let m is supremum value and small m is infimum value. So supremum f is equal to capital M and infimum f is equal to small m. So fc1 is equal to small m and fc2 is equal to capital M. Now capital M is greater than equal to small m. So the first condition is capital M is equal to small m, and the second one is capital M is greater than small m. So in first we will see that fc1 is equal to fc2. So fx equal to constant because function is constant. So f dash x is equal to 0. So x belongs to a comma b open interval. Then also f dash c is equal to 0. Now for the second case, given that f equal to fb and capital M is not equal to small m. In this condition, at least one supremum or infimum is different from fa and fb. Then assume capital M is not equal to fa is equal to fb. Hence, fc2 is not equal to fa is equal to fb. This means that c2 is different from a and b. So c2 belongs to a comma b, or a is less than c2 is less than b. Capital M is equal to f, c2 is equal to supremum f is equal to fx, which is less than equal to fc2. X belongs to a comma b, which is equation number 1. Now fc2 plus h is less than fc2 for every h is greater than 0. c2 plus h belongs to a comma b. So f c2 plus h minus f c2 upon h, which is less than equal to 0. Limit h tends to 0. f c2 plus h minus f c2 upon h, which is less than equal to 0. So r f dash c2, which is less than equal to 0, which is equation number 2. So f c2 minus h, which is less than equal to 0, f c2 for every h which is greater than 0, c2 minus h belongs to closed interval a comma b. So f c2 minus h minus f c2 less than equal to 0. So f c2 minus h minus f c2 upon minus h, which is greater than equal to 0. L f dash c2 is greater than equal to 0. यहाँ पे r और जो l है वो राइट हैंड और लेफ्ट हैंड को डिफाइन करते हैं. So it is equation number 3rd. But f is differentiable in open interval and c2 belongs to open interval ab. That means f is differentiable at x equal to c2. So L f dash c2 is equal to r f dash c2 is equal to f dash c2, which is equation number 4. Now f dash c2, which is less than equal to 0, f dash c2, which is greater than equal to 0. So f dash c2 is equal to 0. Then now similarly we assume small m is not equal to fa is equal to fb. Then we prove that f dash c1 is equal to 0. जैसे हमने f dash c2 equal to 0 प्रूव किया, वैसे ही हमने f dash c1 equal to 0 प्रूव किया. So replacing c1 and c2 by c defined required equation f dash c is equal to 0. Hence we prove Rolle's theorem. Now we will do some questions based on Rolle's theorem. So the question is verify Rolle's theorem for the function. हमें ये फंक्शंस दिया गया है. अब हमें इसके लिए रोल्स थ्योरम प्रूव करनी है. रोल्स थ्योरम के लिए हमें 3 कंडीशंस को फॉलो करना पड़ता है. फर्स्ट कि फंक्शन जो है वो कॉन्टीन्यूस होना चाहिए क्लोज इंटरवल में, डिफरेंशिएबल होना चाहिए ओपन इंटरवल में, एंड एफ ए इज़ इक्वल टू एफ बी सो सच दैट एफ डैश सी इज़ इक्वल टू 0. नाउ हम इसकी x की वैल्यू फाइंड करते हैं. x की वैल्यू ये आई और ये आई. सो x इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस √2 ये वैल्यू और ये इंटरवल हम लेंगे. सो x बिलोंग्स टू क्लोज इंटरवल -√2, √2. Now we will find it is continuous at x equal to 0. So फंक्शन में जब हम 0 रखेंगे विच इज़ वी गेट -2. राइट हैंड लिमिट और लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट पे चेक करेंगे. सो एफ जीरो प्लस एच लिमिट्स एच टेंस टू 0. सो एफ जीरो प्लस एच एंड लिमिट्स एच टेंस टू 0. सो हमें -2 मिलेगा. सिमिलरली फॉर लेफ्ट हैंड के लिए हमें -2 मिलेगा. सो एल एच एल इक्वल टू आर एच एल. सो फंक्शन इज कॉन्टीन्यूस. नाउ फॉर डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी चेक करने के लिए राइट हैंड डेरिवेटिव और लेफ्ट हैंड डेरिवेटिव लेंगे. राइट हैंड वाले के लिए हम लेंगे एफ जीरो प्लस एच माइनस एफ जीरो बाई टू, और इसके लिए लेंगे एफ जीरो माइनस एच माइनस एफ जीरो अपॉन एच. इसकी और इसकी वैल्यू 0 आती है. सो इट इज़ इक्वल एंड एज वी फाइंड इट इज़ डिफरेंशिएबल. नाउ एफ ए इज इक्वल टू एफ बी. सो एफ माइनस √2 पे हम वैल्यू फाइंड करते हैं. सो वी गेट 0. एंड जब हम फंक्शन में √2 रखते हैं सो वी विल गेट 0. तो -√2 और +√2 पे हमें सेम वैल्यू मिलती है विच इज़ एफ ए इज़ इक्वल टू एफ बी. अब हमें एफ डैश सी इज़ इक्वल टू 0 भी प्रूव करना था. सो फंक्शन में हम सबसे पहले फंक्शन का डिफरेंशिएशन करते हैं. सो एफ डैश एक्स हमने फाइंड कर लिया. इसके बाद हमने एक्स की जगह सी वैल्यू रखी. इसके बाद वी विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ सी. सो सी की एक वैल्यू आ रही है -1, एक वैल्यू आ रही है 2/3. सो फर्स्टली हम फंक्शन में -1 रखते हैं इस फंक्शन में. सो वी विल गेट 0 एंड देन वी विल गेट 0. सो एफ डैश सी is equal to 0. Hence, we verify the Rolle's theorem. Thank you for watching.